In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to make your Instagram account private. You can simply switch to a private account on Instagram in just a few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap onto these 3 lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, scroll down into the section of who can see your content. Select account privacy. On this page, turn this option on. When enabled, your followers, following list, and only followers that you approve can see what you share. Include photos, videos, reels. If you are having a business or creator account, it can't be private. All you need to do is to simply switch to a personal account. That's how easy it is to make your Instagram account private. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.